still a leper colony. Now it's already a municipality. If you have not heard of Culion, that's in northern Palawan, beside Coron. Coron is the more famous tourist spot. So, I was assigned there as a parish priest in that island. And I really like this couple. One is about, during that time, he was already 80. And the woman was 2 years younger. Okay? So, I like it because people would always look at them whenever they passes through the street. No? At 80, they're still very sweet with each other. They would hold hands, and the guy is already sickly, so the woman would be holding him. And they would go up to church. Our church there is very beautiful. It's on top of a hill, and it's difficult to go up, but they would go every day, regardless of there's a mass or no mass. That they would go there, and for a short while, they would just pray. Okay? And people would look at them, somehow probably wishing that their marriage is something like that. That after so many years of being together, they still continue to be together. And people, you know, when I would look at them, my eyes would really twinkle. It's a beautiful sign of God's love for people. One day, I did not see them walking the streets because every day they would always walk. The second day was already worried because they are still not in church. So I asked what happened. It seems that the woman parang nagkasakit, no? Na high blood, dinala sa hospital. So I visited them in the hospital. And there they were. The woman was in bed, looking at nothing, not even looking at the husband, who was sitting in the corner. So, they were so silent. So I asked them, "Why? What happened to you?" "Father, na high blood ako." "Na high blood? Bakit? High blood ka ba talaga?" "Hindi, Father. Siya kasi, tinanan niya yung husband niya na nakaupo lang sa gilid. Tahimik na tahimik. "Anong ginawa niya sa'yo? Inaway ka ba niya?" "Hindi, Father. Nakipag-usap sa katulong namin." At 80 years old, nagselos pa si Inday. I was kind of shocked, but I told them, hilas naman ninyo. Hilas is a Visayan term. Mag-usap na kayo dyan. So I left, and after about 5 minutes, they were giggling like children already. You know, we go through, this is just a very simple example, but we go through difficulties in life. And sometimes, it's really so difficult that we need other people to help us try to reconcile. Of course, the secret would be really to talk it out. Kailangan pag-usapan, kung ano man ang hindi maganda, pag-usapan, at titingnan kung paano maayos. The fight, the quarrel, the argument is not the one that's important. What is important is how we're able to overcome it. So today, we will pray for you. As you go through life, we would ask that God would truly be present with you and guide you in your way.
Our principal sponsors are invited to stand as witnesses. The